No matter where you live or what your lifestyle, something always needs fixing. This repair Chris caught early. A smell of diesel in the truck. Turns out to be a broken fuel filter canister above the engine block. It has caused a few truck fires that were total losses.
Okay.
Not this time.
Open the hood. Okay, there's the new one. Ready? Okie doke. Every once in a while, we get a little pushback for having Grizz with us, but people don't really understand that he's a service animal. Okay. Open the hood. Come over and take a look. And if you look closely through everything in there, you can see that there's a leak down the side of this fuel filter canister. So these three have to come off, and once they come off, then I can twist this about 90 degrees and lift it out, and it'll be filled with diesel fuel. And then I'll put the new one back in its place and slide it back down. See if that will take care of the problem, hopefully. Okay, there's the new one. Here's the old one. I'm going to try to take this off without causing any
So glad he remembered to protect his arms.
And before I do that,
Those cancer meds left him bruising easily.
I slide this underneath to catch. Whatever leaks. So this is out of the way, and look at that, slides right off like it's supposed to. Lift this up without having a big mess, which I made a little bit of one. And that thing has been filled with diesel, so we're going to try to clean this cup out. And it looks like I got most of the stuff out of that. So now, this one goes in. down. And this gets turned this way. And this one goes down there like that, and they've all clicked in place.
Ready? Okie doke.
It's like everyone left at the same time. Insiders, we're hoping that next year we'll get a chance to get on the road. Our doctors are sounding really positive.
So, how do you say the water regulator is busted without saying that it's busted?
It never fails until it does.
Yep. Good thing I had an old spare hanging around. Wow. Look at that beautiful, beautiful sunrise. Ooh, yeah.
This is a beautiful park, but it is hot, hot, hot.
Oh, I just love the smell of gardenias. Amazing little flowers. A great odor. Every once in a while, we get a little pushback for having Grizz with us, but people don't really understand that he's a service animal. Some people are just mean. For those of you that don't know, we used to call that thing in the business the ghetto bird.
Don't forget to like and hype the videos. Please travel safe.